What's up, guys? It's Memo. Making my first video about trading. So I started this account a few days ago on YouTube, and I wanted to document my road to profitability, road to profits, road to being a profitable trader, whatever you want to call it. So I've been trading for going on 9 months now. I started back in December 2021. No, not 2021. December 2024. And I've been trading for 9 months now. I did 7 months of paper trading. May 1st, or not May 1st, May, whatever the first day of May was. May 1st, Thursday, I started using real money. So far this journey has been good, has helped me a lot in a lot of different ways. When I first started trading, I had to focus a lot on my mental. Got me on track, got me doing what I need to be doing. It gave me a reason to wake up early in the mornings, and it's been treating me really good. Overall, since I started trading real money 2 months ago, a month and 2 weeks ago, I am down. I'm down $1,000 actually. I'll show you guys my account. So I trade using Webull. I started the 2400. I don't know if you guys can see the order brightness. Hopefully you guys can see that. Started with $2,400, or not, yeah, $2,400. And I'm down to $1,445. I'm not upset at all actually. I may be down 1,000, but I'm not upset at all. I am grateful for everything that trading has taught me. I'm happy overall. I'm happy. I'm doing good. And I've learned a lot through, starting this journey. This month of May, I've only been profitable. I've only profited 5 days out of the 10, but my profits are literally nothing compared to my wins. To my losses. Like, I'll win $20, and the next day I'll lose $120. Like, it's crazy. It all falls back on me. Not being disciplined, not following my strategy, making up setups that aren't even there, just making false patterns, making false setups, not sticking to my plan, and not really doing what I should be doing, right? Which is why I'm losing. I know it. I know that's why I'm losing. The past few days, I've gotten a little better at it. I realized where I was messing up. I realized my risk management was bad, right? And I wasn't following my plan. I wasn't following my plan at all. I would oversize. It would cause me to lose a lot as well. So ever since then, ever since like last week when I realized, yo, I'm losing a lot of money. Let me relax. Let me figure out what I'm doing wrong. So I changed some things. I started sizing smaller. I'm only doing one contract now. It doesn't matter how much the contract is, I'm only doing one contract. That's my rule, one contract. I also have another rule where I can only lose 3% of my account max. 3% of my account's like $50. $50 max a day. Once I hit $50, I'm out. I'm done for the day. I can watch the charts. I can still look. I can still go on there, look around, and see what I can find. But my risk management has been improving ever since I noticed. Yesterday I lost a lot. Contracts moved horribly yesterday. Got a bad fill. Entered the wrong trade. Overall, it's been a good journey. I feel like every day I journal. After every trading session, I go look back at all my trades. I look at what I could have done differently. I look at where I messed up, any signs that I missed, anything that I could have seen, anything that happened. I watch how the candles move. I watch how they react. I've been working on my patience. I'm trying to let my trades breathe more. I feel like that's been one of my struggles. When I enter a trade, obviously there's a lot of emotions involved. I've been doing pretty good with controlling my emotions, but obviously, I'm human, and just like you and anyone in this world, emotions can get to the best of you sometimes. Especially when money's on the line. I enter a trade and I start getting scared. I'm like, oh, this is moving downwards. Should I get out? Should I stay in? Should I keep going? Should I sell? It's just a roller coaster of emotions. But I've been trying to practice on letting my trades breathe. Once I enter, I don't look at my phone. I don't look at the percentages. I don't look at that. I just watch the stock. I just watch the candle. I watch price action, and it's been helping. as of lately, I feel like one thing that I've been struggling with, and I feel like I finally realized, is patterns. You know, trading is not hard. Trading is easy. Honestly, trading is easy. Once you understand it, once you break that mental barrier, trading is easy, and it is, it is really easy. The only thing that's stopping you from being profitable and stopping me from being profitable is you. It's your mentality. It's, your psychology. You're not thinking right. You're not doing what you should be doing. You're not being disciplined enough, and you're not following your rules. Today I took some trades. I'll show them in a little bit. Took some trades. One of them was, I broke them all down actually. So one of my trades was Amazon. Okay, market opened, right? I entered Amazon instantly. Amazon hit my entry point and I entered instantly. But I told myself that I should not be entering trades unless I get a 5-minute close above my entry. And this Amazon one showed me what happens when you don't stick to your plan. I entered, got FOMO, right? I got FOMO. Stock moved up. I was up maybe 10% max. Stock shot right back down. And I was down $37 to start off the day. Bad morning, not a bad morning, bad trade. I knew what I did wrong, reflected, and now going into tomorrow, I'm not going to make that mistake. If I want to be profitable, if I want to do good, I have to look at what I did wrong and really reinforce it into my head and act on it the next day. Not just say it, I got to act on it. So I need to remember, for my way of trading, 5-minute close above my entry. Today I also traded Shopify. So on Shopify I got a good trade. It broke above my entry. I entered once it broke above, retested that level. I entered on a pullback, hit my first take profit, and I was up like 60% maybe. Up pretty good on that trade. Sold. Then I was looking for a possible re-entry. I re-entered on Shop at a pullback after the 5-minute close above the next level that I had marked. It came down, and went back up. Hit a level, but I did not sell it. I should have sold it. Now that I look back on it, I had a chance to sell. There's things that I did not take into consideration. I didn't take into consideration the psychological levels. Those are real. I did not take into consideration the psychological levels. I knew about them, right? I knew about them, but I didn't really pay attention. And today made me realize, okay, I need to pay more attention to these because obviously they're real, right? They're real. These psychological levels are indeed real. So look at them. Hit my level, pulled back. I was down like 30% on my account. Not on my account, I was down 30% on that trade. And I told myself the max I can lose on one trade is 25%. Or just anybody who's new to trading, I held. I was like, okay, this could probably push back up. So I held. It kept moving down. Got a little bullish. Went back down. Eventually I sold for like a 40% loss. And I literally lost all the gains I made today. Lost everything. I was up, could have been up like $70, but I donated it all back to the market and more. My last trade that I took was pretty good. It was SNCI. I played for a break of a wedge. It opened above, pulled back into the wedge, but then it broke back out of the wedge. I didn't enter instantly on the wedge. I entered at a level. I wanted, like I said, from my style of trading, 5-minute close above. I got a 5-minute close above that level. Waited for a pullback. It pulled back, hit that level again, and that's when I re-entered. Hit my first take profit. I'm only sizing with one contract, so it hit my take profit, and I sold, and I was up. But like I said, because of shock, because I wasn't paying attention, because I could have been more, things that I did not take into consideration, that I did not see. I lost it all. But that's okay. Honestly, losing is all part of the game. I'm expecting to lose. I'm expecting to lose more than what I've lost. And it's just how you learn. In order to learn, in order to be good at trading, in order to do anything in life, you need to lose. And nothing comes easy. And it's just up to you whether you're going to keep going or not. So, it's my first video with trading. Plan to record my road to being profitable. But these are my trades today. That's what I learned. Just stick to my plan. I want to be profitable. I want this. I want it. I'm gonna get it.